All right, this is the first time I've done a video on anything. What I have here is I have two cases, one on that side and one on this side, that I want to put some of my beautiful rocks. This is just a sample of a couple things I wanted to try out. And so I bought these LED kits, and I think this one's a 13.5 foot. They come in these little rolls with a controller. So you can either push them on and off, or you can use the remote. They're quite multi-versatile. They have all kinds of settings of every kind you could imagine. So the first thing I need to do is, like I say, I've had rocks in these before, but I just haven't enjoyed them that much. You need light on rocks to bring them out. So what I've done there is I've taken my drill and I pilot hold a drill on a little bit of an angle to miss the foot underneath. So I scribed that foot, pulled the foot off, and then I drilled a pilot hole. You can see the small drill. And then I used a 3/8 drill bit to pop that hole through there very carefully so I didn't hit the glass. Once I did that, I fished all of this 13.5 foot tape through until I had it all inside. And then it's got a little self-adhesive controller there, and I stuck it on the glass on the outside. And of course, that's where your power supply goes over. And anyway, that worked out really well. So they come in sections. So this one's got the little connector, so you can decide how long you want this. So I brought this all the way up and across the top and over to the other side, and of course went on down. Then I could have detached it right there where you can see that joint. But after putting my shelf in, setting some rocks on it, turning the lights, I wasn't happy with as much light as I really wanted. I really want to make those sparkle. So now I ran it across the bottom, as you can see, so as least noticeable as you can. And I'm going to hook another one on here and do the exact same thing. Come up across the top, back in the corner. I removed these little shelf holders. I'll remove these so I can run this down inside of the glass, and then I'll just terminate it down there wherever it comes out. Maybe I'll run it across the bottom again. Maybe I'll terminate it just a little bit early. Anyway, I'm excited about how this is going. I'll turn the power on here so you can see how it's looking so far. And anyway, I think I'll take a relatively inexpensive cabinet and turn it into something that'll make a beautiful showcase. It'll have a controller. Now the nice thing is I can control both of these from one remote. So they're set up that way. Or if you want to just set it up, well, the thing of it is I couldn't put that anywhere, that little controller. I couldn't put it anywhere where it was convenient and out of sight. So I just decided to forget about using it as a push button and just use the remote, which is fine. Anyway, really pleased with how this is turning out, and thought, hey, I've never shared a video. I ought to share this with everyone. So there you go.